Recently, we successfully completed an exhilarating project at the renowned Allure Beauty Space, situated at 1604 St. Nicholas Avenue in the lively and bustling Washington Heights neighborhood of the great city of New York. Our dedicated team at Abstract Enterprise Security Systems expertly installed 2 state-of-the-art Reolink security cameras, significantly enhancing the salon's advanced surveillance capabilities. These remarkable cameras seamlessly integrate with the existing system, simultaneously empowering the business owner to monitor her premises directly from her smartphone, providing her with unrivaled peace of mind. In addition to this, we meticulously cleaned up any wirings left by the previous contractor, which displayed our unwavering commitment to delivering top-notch quality and professionalism. With our highly efficient installation, the Allure Beauty Space is now better equipped to safeguard its valuable assets and provide a secure and safe environment for both its clients and its staff, ensuring everyone can enjoy a stress-free experience.